ON-7805 and ground double scissor lift installation guide. Section 1: Unpacking plus positioning the platform plus checking accessories. Please handle with care when unpacking to avoid damaging the equipment components. After removing all components, check them one by one against the parts list to ensure there is no deformation or damage, thereby guaranteeing a smooth installation process. With the platform ready, use a forklift to move it over the pit. Ensure the support brackets underneath the platform are removed first. And position the electrical control cabinet at the pre-marked location. Open the outer packaging and inspect whether the equipment's appearance is intact. Verify that all electrical components in the control cabinet are complete and securely mounted, and confirm that all parts in the accessory box are present. Section 2: Connection of oil lines, air lines, and limit switch cables. Connect the oil lines according to the color-coded markings. Connect the limit switch wires according to the corresponding markings. Connect the corresponding airline markings. The main and auxiliary platform's oil pipes, gas pipes, and limit switch wiring harnesses are properly arranged, each corresponding to designated tie straps, wire numbers, and connections. Section 3: Filling hydraulic oil plus power connection plus air supply connection. Fill the power unit pump station with high-quality LHM46 anti-wear hydraulic oil, 18L. Note: use LHM46 for indoor ambient temperatures, LHM68 for outdoor high temperatures, and LHM32 for northern winters. Recommendation: replace the hydraulic oil 6 months after initial use, and thereafter once a year. The lift platform must be lowered to its lowest position when adding or replacing the hydraulic oil. Section 4: Installation of loading ramp and vehicle stop plate. Installation of the boarding ramp and vehicle stop plate. To install the upper plate and stop plate, first install the support fixing screws, then install the pins. The upper plate and stop plate must be distinguished from each other. Section 5 Emptying Procedure. Remove the limit switch, raise the platform to its highest point, and set the time relay to 0. Lock the main platform, disengage the locking teeth/pawls on the secondary platform, leaving it unlocked, and cycle the platform up and down 2 or 3 times. Remember to return the time relay to its original position after completing the draining process. Set the control cabinet switch to the main platform mode, disconnect the limit switches, raise the platform to its highest position, use a securing device to isolate the auxiliary platform, press the lock button to lower it completely independently, then press the raise button to elevate it to the maximum height. These steps require 2 to 3 cycles to fully purge air from the oil circuit. Finally, reset both the limit switches and the time relay. Set the control cabinet switch to sub-platform mode, disconnect the limit switches, raise the platform to its highest position, use a securing device to isolate the auxiliary platform, press the lock button to lower it completely independently, then press the raise button to elevate it to the maximum height. These steps require 2 to 3 cycles to fully purge air from the oil circuit. Section 6 Platform Leveling. Lower the platform to its lowest position, then press the up button and observe whether the platform rises synchronously. If the primary platform rises faster than the secondary platform, open the oil replenishment valve and press the up button in short bursts while observing whether the platforms are synchronized. Close the valve immediately once synchronization is achieved. If the main platform rises more slowly than the secondary platform, open the oil makeup valve and pulse the lock button while observing whether the platforms are synchronizing. Close the valve immediately once synchronization is achieved. Section 7 Speed Control. Left loose means more throttle and higher speed, right tight means less throttle and lower speed. Device speed reduction, adjust from fast to slow. For example, loosen the main screw and adjust using a hex key. Turning clockwise sets slower speed, while counterclockwise sets faster speed. Note, after completing these steps, always close the oil replenishment valve and adjust the speed control screws to prevent pressure leakage in the equipment. Section 8 Platform and Foundation Leveling. Raise the platform by approximately 1 meter and lock it in place. Measure the heights of the 8 corners of the two-sided platform using an infrared distance meter, then adjust the platform height. Elevate the equipment to a specified height, lock the platform, and measure its height using a measuring instrument. If the foundation planes are uneven, adjust them with auxiliary shims. Check whether any joints exhibit oil leakage. Section 9 Adding lubricating oil. Apply lubricating grease to relevant equipment components. Check the oil seal for oil leakage. Apply lubricating oil to relevant equipment components to prevent direct dry friction and abnormal noises, significantly reduce wear, and extend the equipment's service life. Note, lubricate the relevant parts of the equipment every 3 months. Section 10 Final Presentation. Presentation complete.